Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to find a factorial of a number in C programming. So first we'll see what is a factorial. So let's example 5 factorial. So 5 factorial is equal to 5 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this is the factorial of any number. So let's begin with the code. First we will take integer variable n, and another is fact, and another is I, where n is the input from the user. We will take the input from the user, printf, enter the value, enter the number, and scanf percentage %d because here n is integer, and %n. Now initialize the fact is equal to 1. Initially the fact value is 1 and store the n value in I. Now we will take a loop, for loop, where initial value of I is equal to n, and our condition is I is greater than equal to n and I minus minus. So we will update the value of fact, that is fact is equal to fact into I. So we will store the fact into I in the fact after every loop is executed. Now we will print, after the loop we will print printf. The factorial of a %d is %d. Here %d, first % represent our number, and the next % represent our answer, factorial value. So let's understand the loop, how it works. So let's take the input from the user. Let's take 5. So factorial of a 5 is 120. See it again, the factorial of 3 is 6. Here factorial of 3 is 3 into 2, that is 6. So let's take n value is 5. Now in for loop, initial I is equal to n, so I value is equal to 5. Now check the condition, I is greater than equal to 1, so our condition is satisfied. So we update the value of fact is equal to fact into I. So our fact value is updated. Now after this loop, I minus minus, so value is decreased by 1. So now I value is equal to 4. Now check the condition, 4 is less than greater than equal to 1. So again we will update the value fact into I. So this time fact is equal to 20. Now again after the loop, I minus minus, so I is equal to 3. Again we will update the value, that is 20 into 3, that is 60. So now our fact value is 60. After again I value is 2, the condition is satisfied, I is greater than equal to 2. So update the fact value, 16 into 2, that is 120. After this loop, I is equal to 1. Now check the condition, I is greater than equal to 1, that condition again is satisfied. So 60 into 1, that is 120 is equal into 1 is equal to 120. So update our fact value 120. Now I is equal to 0. I is equal to 0. So now in this condition, our condition is not satisfied. I is not great. I is equal to 0, that is not greater than equal to 1. So our condition failed. So our loop terminated. So now we come out of the loop. So we print the value of factorial. So factorial of number 5 is 120. Thank you.